Hi foodies, I hope you're all well. Let's make this delicious panini breakfast using very simple ingredients. I had some German salami slice, some cheddar cheese slice, baby spinach, chicken breasts, panini bread, and that was all I needed to get this done. The first thing I did was to slice my panini bread into two equal halves. So I made use of two breads to achieve this recipe. I sliced them into two equal halves and placed them into my grill. And then I proceeded with adding the ingredients gently in between the breads. So the first ingredient I added was the salami slice. You could use any protein of your choice. So here I'm using a salami slice. Some people, I mean, it could be chorizo, it could be chicken, it could be turkey slice, or anything or whatsoever that you want. It could be bacon, but this is the ingredient I used for this specific recipe. And then the next thing I did was to cut this cheese into two equal halves and place them all across the bread just to make sure that the bread is well covered with the cheese. I proceeded with adding my chicken breast, which has been previously cooked and it's been well cooked. And then I added my baby spinach and covered the bread. I repeated this exact process with the other bread by cutting the cheese into two equal halves, adding the salami slice, adding my chicken breast, and adding the washed baby spinach. I covered this bread and then I allowed it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on a low to medium heat. And after a while, I was able to turn the bread into the other side. I flipped it to the other side to make sure that the bread is well cooked evenly. And then I could see that my cheese has already melted, which tells me that everything is well cooked and well incorporated together. And that was it basically to get this recipe done. If you like this panini bread recipe, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up, comment in the section, and engage. Thank you. Till we see next time. Bye.